Hello everybody, welcome to Acorn and Oak and ATC Thursday. And just to remind you that ATC stands for Artist Trading Card. This is a series that I'm doing every Thursday between now and the end of the year. My first video went up last week, so I'll have that linked below. This is the second video, and I'm going to try and do some, kind of like a farmhouse country style. I have this country life pack, A5 paper pack. So I'm going to use that, and I think I may use some wooden beads as well. So let's choose which paper I'm going to use for the backing. And these are single-sided papers. That's really cute. That may be one. Or the gingham. I like the gingham too. Home Sweet Home. And the strawberries. Okay, so it's going to be out of those two. And I think I want to... These I think I'm just going to use ink with them. I think I'm only going to use two. So let's do the inking. Going back to my walnut stain. I'm going to ink these up. You can paint these MDF pieces. But they take ink really well too. I'm going to have one facing left, one facing right. Got a thing about the brown with the gold at the moment, so I'm going to use my gold paint pen for their little feet. I could even have them facing that way so that they're having a kiss. I think I might have them have it portrait way. And let's think whether I want the green. I want the polka dots. No, I want the green. Okay, so I'm going to glue this ATC onto this paper. I just like to use my finger to get it into all the corners. And I usually put it in one of the corners as well. Save on wastage of paper. And then use my craft knife I tend to make more passes and press less than one hard press, because sometimes you can rip the paper. Okay, so that's that. Right, and I think I'm going to use some beads on this, so I am going to use my little crocodile and use the smaller hole. Move it forward, and I'm going to put a hole at the top and the bottom, and I think we're going to use some beads. I have some garden wire from Poundland, and I've got these beads left over from a big pack that I bought from Amazon, and I think I'm going to use this size here. So let's cut off some wire. Okay, and I think I'm going to use these ones. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go across that way, bring the wire around the back, and then go down there. So then I'll have two rows of beads. Okay, so let me just, this wire is really pliable from Poundland. I don't think it has any gauge or anything on it. Let me read the packaging. It just says 37 meter, but it doesn't say what the measurement or anything is, the width or anything. Okay, so let's put these on, because this is why this is going to be really easy to do. So let me just fast forward this boring bit and I'll be right with you. Obviously it has to be enough to go from the top to the bottom, but I need to make sure I've got enough. So actually I'm not going to put a knot in it. I'm going to cut that knot away. I think I've put on too many. Okay. And the good thing about the ATCs, you can make them as elaborate as you want or as easy as you want. They're just small representations of your own artwork, your own craft. Almost there. One more, I think. Okay, let's tie that up at the back. And to tidy up the backs of these, you can put some scrapbook paper on the back. What I'll probably do is I'll probably put another coating of the gingham paper on the back. Okay, so that's that. I think I'm going to run over it with my walnut stain just to change up the colour slightly so they're not so bland. Probably go around the edges as well. And you could have done a hanger with the little beads. The good thing about this is all about personal preference and what you want to do. Okay, so then I have one there, one here. Do I want to add anything else to it, or do I want to call that a day with it just like that? I think I just want to leave it like that. I think it's nice and simple, not overdone. I don't think so anyway. Okay, crafters, there goes my farmhouse country looking ATC. Thank you very much for joining me this week, and you'll see me again next ATC Thursday. You'll see me again before then, obviously, but for another ATC project, you'll see me next Thursday. Take care, everyone. Bye now.